สวัสดีครับ Hello everyone, this is Smile Service. This is a review videos after fixing laptop. This is case number 1411. Basically it's a Dell laptop. So the hinge was broken on the left and on the right. Okay, and then we fix it for customer without changing the case. Yeah, I mean without changing the case, which means it's cost lower price than the changing the original case. So if you have any issue, you want to use our service, feel free to contact us. So thank you for watching the video and see you next time. Bye bye.